Good Tuesday morning, everybody. Chris Allen with your weather podcast. On this February 20th, 2018, 4:59 a.m. Central Time, just before 5 a.m., 65 degrees right now at our studios. Wow. Well, we broke some records yesterday, as expected. The old record of 73, set back in 1994, was shattered. We hit 76 officially yesterday around 2:30 at the Bowling Green Airport. And not only that, but we had the warmest record low temperature for the day shattered. The record was 53, also set back in 1994, and we hit 58. So 2 records broken yesterday, and it looks like 2 more will be broken today, as it looks like we'll shatter the old record of 76 degrees, which was set just last year in 2017, and the record warm low, or the warmest low on record, 55, set back in 1994, and we're going to be in the 60s. So it looks like those 2 records will fall again today, 2 days in a row. Then it's going to rain like crazy. And just get ready for it. All right, looking at the numbers from yesterday, 76, as mentioned, new record high. That was 25 degrees warmer than the average high of 51. And then 58 was our warmest record low temperature for the day. And that was 27 degrees warmer than the average low temperature of 31. A year ago, we had a high of 66 and a low of 42. No rainfall past 24 hours. Today is going to be another windy, warm, record-breaking day. Mix of sun and clouds. High around 80. South winds at 20 to 35, and the winds are already up this morning. Tonight, after midnight, we're looking at probably about 2 or 3 o'clock tomorrow morning. Showers moving back in, an 80% chance, low of 64, which would be a new record for low temperature for the day, warmest low temperature. Wednesday, we continue with a 90% chance of showers and thunderstorms. And a morning high around 70, but as that cold front approaches and begins to stall out, we'll hit 70, but then fall to 47 for a low temperature Wednesday night. So no worries about frozen precipitation or ice-covered bridges or anything like that we had about a week ago. On Thursday, 70% chance of showers and thunderstorms, a little cooler. 62 is that, as I mentioned yesterday, if you were listening, that front stalls out, then it wobbles back and forth. When we're on the warm side, we'll be in the 70s. When we're on the cool side, it'll be in the 60s. So Thursday will be when we're on the cooler side. But then we warm right back up with an 80% chance of rain and 73 on Friday. Then back to a 90% chance of showers and thunderstorms Saturday. Some of that heavy rainfall near 70. Then finally, the front moves east. We'll see just a 40% chance of showers Sunday and a high at 67. Monday, how about some sunshine for a change? And we'll see a high around 60. But did you pay attention to the rain chances? All right, I'll put them in order. Here we go, starting with Wednesday, 90%. Thursday, 70%. Friday, 80%. Saturday, 90%. Sunday, 40%. And that's when, we're going to have an issue, I think, with some minor to moderate flooding. The worst of the flooding potential is going to be along the Ohio River, the Wabash River, back to the west, Missouri Boot Hill, southern Illinois, western Kentucky, southern Indiana. Not necessarily us, but over the next 7 days, we're projecting anywhere from 3 to 4 inches of rain total. Now, it's not going to come all at once, and that may be our saving grace, but it is going to be a lot of water. And we already have a lot of water and a soggy ground, so this is only going to make matters worse. So prepare for that. Enjoy one more day of spring-like weather, then it's all going to change as far as, going from sunny to rainy. Now, temperature-wise, we're going to hold this kind of pattern, 60s and 70s, even in the next week, but I will warn you, there is going to come a crash about the 1st of March. Somewhere in the first few days, the first week of March, all of this really warm spring-like weather is going to come down. So those of you thinking spring has sprung, nope. Sorry to burst your bubble. All right, that will do it for this edition of the podcast. God bless as always, and thank you so much for listening. Know the weather before it knows you. Have a great day. I'll see you live at 5:30 on AM Kentucky, 11 a.m. on midday, streaming live to the WBKO app and WBKO.com, and, of course, to your Alexa device. Later today, if you can, join me for my radio show at Classic Hits, Sam 100.7 between 3 and 7 p.m., and online, anywhere, anytime, at bowlinggreensam.com.